Okay, my darling children, apparently the instructions that I've given you have made you even more confused. So I thought the best way to do this maybe was just to start one of my own, just to give you an example of kind of what we're going for here. So the whole purpose behind this is to create a travel itinerary. And so I've done this as a multimedia presentation, and there's just a few slides because I want you to be creative in the way that you present your information. So this, I just called it the World's Major Plates Expedition, and it's prepared by Myers Park High School student Anthony P. This trip, prepared for your students only at Geology Magnet School, will take your group of 9th graders to every major tectonic plate in the world. It includes stops along the way that highlight special places of interest which formed as a result of the plate's movements. Blah, blah, blah. You get the point. Big advertisement here. And so your journey begins. Your fantastic journey begins upon the ever-moving North American plate. You'll be moving to the west-southwest at about 2 to 2.3 centimeters or 1 inch every year, driven by the spreading center that created the Atlantic Ocean, the mid-ocean ridge. Because I got this information from another source other than what I had already given you on BlendSpace, I cited the source at the bottom of the page. But how is that possible, you ask? And then it tells you to click on the picture and find the answers to all of your questions, like how do the plates move and what does this mean for plate boundaries? So this is where you would put in a video or some other website. You can go to, this one takes you to a website that also has videos embedded in it. So multimedia presentation means you have to have more than words and pictures on the page. Stop number 1 is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where 2 crustal plates pull apart along divergent boundaries. So see, we're getting in the key vocabulary words. Lava makes its way to the surface. At our first stop, deep under the Atlantic Ocean, you'll see this for yourself. And then it tells you to catch a glimpse. You can click on the picture here, and this takes you to another video.
While some plates crash together, others tear apart. It happened.
All right, so hopefully this has helped you a little bit to understand kind of what the expectation is for you. Remember, a multimedia presentation does mean that you have to have animations. You see my little animated arrow here. Also has to have other websites and videos embedded within it. So if this doesn't help, please reach out with more questions and I'll see what I can do. Looking like maybe I will indeed see you tomorrow. All right? Have a good rest of your day.